Stur sent us some gifts. Okay, these are awesome. They're not electrolytes, they're water enhancers to help you drink more water, which a lot of us, I'm sure, need. I have so many flavors here. We have grape, peach mango, coconut pineapple, lemonade, and an energy mixed berry. Okay, in this other box, we have fruit punch, tropical punch, pomegranate cranberry, blue and blackberry, and strawberry watermelon. Oh, that like matches my nails. I'm not sure which one to try first. Okay, I really love grape flavors, so let's do grape acai. Okay, let's do this. It says you just need one little squeeze. This is wonderful. I feel like I could even do with a little more flavor. I like things that have a lot of flavor, but that's the best part about these types of things is you can decide how much you want to put in. Cheers. Oh my God, even better. If you struggle to drink water, especially if you have POTS like I do and you need to be getting your water, these are a great option to get you drinking more. Or even if you like water and you just want to add something a little different. Okay, what flavor should I try next?